Has your Albany Park house, condo, or apartment been affected by water damage? Are the walls, floors, and ceilings wet? Has water damaged your basement? Flooding from sewage backup or sump pump failure? Is your finished basement in ruins? Has your property been affected by broken or ruptured water supply pipe, causing water damage in your Albany Park property? Don't wait. Get on the phone and immediately call a certified water damage restoration company in Albany Park. Call ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons at 8559-SIMONS. ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons provides IICRC certified water and flood damage restoration services in Chicago's Albany Park neighborhood. Whether you require drying and dehumidification services, or you require specialty wood floor drying services, let ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons get your home or business back to normal fast. ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons is Albany Park's first choice for water damage restoration services. Call ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons at 8559-SIMONS or click on our website at servicemasterbysimons.com.